Okay, today we're going to take a look at this 2018 Honda Rebel 500. We're going to grab a camera and have a close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and have a close look at this bike. It is only a one owner bike from new. It's had a full HPI check and a full government mileage check, everything clear. It does come with a spare key in the pack and it is data tagged. Let's start up at the front, everything looking in good condition there. Does have ABS on this as well. It is low mileage as well. We will go up and have a look on the dash and get the exact mileage off it later on. We'll just have a good close look all around the bike. Good close up look on the left hand side. You can see the chain and sprocket there, all in good condition. All the engine looking good on this side. It is like a dark matte metallic silver and black, the colour on it. It has got the canvas panniers on the back as well, and it does have the little seat there so you can carry a passenger. Let's get a look at it from the back. It does look nice. It's like a bobber style bike, this. Nice retro styling on it. Let's go and get a close look up at the back wheel on it. Everything looking good there. Get a look at the exhaust. Have a good look over the right hand side. Everything nice and clean on the engine there. Nice and shiny. Does have a tubular steel frame on this. What we will do, we'll go and get the exact mileage off the dash and have a look at the controls. Right, let's go and have a look at the controls on this. Pretty standard really. You've got your starter on this side and you've got your hazard lights. And over the other side you've got your lights, your horn and your indicators. So I will turn this on. Let's have a look at the dash. It's got full LCD dash on this. And as you can see, it's very low mileage. It's only done 842 miles. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you want any more photos or videos, anything close up that you want to see in particular, you can do that and send it to you over on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219 or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.